MeghalayaPost.news.
Menteri Rang Bak Kajelang Konrad K Sangma mentak sengula pentit baka Sorkar kalatung lai Menteri Ungut kinong ajing mut cement consultant batsan pukendai teli company ki ba ajing mut sya ka Sorkar banyarap hak bayadei markajing peniat bat penteri kam ya ki kam penroy ulaya thuru baka jinglut baro si Snem hak jing Siew manu benai na ka benta kinong ajing mut cement kalong 4.35 Klur na ka bentau Snem arajar saw arpusan ringkat ka jing pensyairu baya ki company ki ba ajing mut sya ka Sorkar kimyo tulom hentre yo da ka jing Siew kumbalate kular balada kimla kimyo jing Siew Satya. Haba jubab ya kajing kali na uba Livingstone Karpran MLA kaliang persya jong ka VPP na maurang keneng. Menteri Rang Ba ula kadaung bakat kendai ngut na kilai penri ngut kinong ajing mut simen kide kiriu sempang na kani kejela bat kibadan ya kajing nang jing start ka bapura bat kat bang idang ya syaprang ngin pentik na baki beriu jong iru kila ban sim ya kajing kit kli ka bayarang kat bat kiriu start ka pertai. Ula ongru baki babun kinong ajing mut haki projek baper na ka bentaki kam bakerpang kum kajing penkre ya ka DPA kijing ya dai ka mariang bat ka imlang salang bat kiru kom tiet ya kitar kumbala betha da ka World Bank bat ke EDB amla ban kini no ya ka bor bala ah ki officer Sorkar kita ki company ki wantang ban kershan ya ka kam ambantuk lari ka kam jong ki officer ula pensya da ka benrap ru baka jela Meghalaya ka dei ka wene ki jela baret e ka bala ki soprang hak bai dei bat ki kam penroy ki bawan nabar amar katang kita ki consultant la thung ya ki haki project baper bat ka kam jong ki kan kut ta donda kita ki project kin poi sya ka bakun.
Reply to star question number 1. A. Sir, the total number of consultants appointed by the government are 36 individual consultants and 59 consultancy firms. B. Sir, the total annual expenditure on monthly remuneration for individual consultants is 4.35 crores for the year 2024-25. Consultancy firms are typically not paid salaries or monthly remuneration like government employees. They are paid consultancy fee which is based on deliverables as per contract.
May I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, what is the mode of appointment or engagement of these consultants?
Sir, the different projects or different agencies that are engaging the different consultants, be it individual consultants or be it the firms that are there. So there are processes where sometimes it is through tendering process where firms come in and they bid together and they apply and based on the different factors of the process, the QCBS system or other factors are put into place based on which the consultants are appointed in terms of the firms and individuals also, sir. There is a recruitment process that takes place where interviews are done, if necessary exams are also done. So there are different processes that are followed and these are all mandatory and required. So therefore, these are the methods of the recruitment that is done, sir.
MeghalayaPost.news.